On May 11, 2025, airport police in Chatham County, Georgia responded to a Sunglass Hut, where a woman had concealed a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses, walked out, and later boarded a flight. The case turns on two Georgia statutes and one underappreciated wrinkle most viewers will miss.
She lives with another elderly lady. I told her she had to flip stuff over, and she said, "I just want to look." And I was like, "Ma'am, you're welcome to look if you're right." And then the older lady that came in with her wanted to get me on the back side of the room. So it's missing. It's obviously missing. So
okay.
I'm just gonna pull it up. I was waiting on the internet here. Oh, there we go. We're gonna watch it together.
Okay.
And see where it went. It's either her or her, and she really didn't touch much. That's the lady she was with. That's when she grabs them. Yep, there she goes. She put them in her pocket. See? She just put them in her pocket.
Yep, Reese, I got it.
Yep, and she may still be here. She sticks them in her pocket and hauls butt out the door. Because I had 4 people in here at the same time. And I knew she took something because she went way too fast out of my store.
Yep. How long ago was this?
It was at
Georgia.
49, so she left her 51. Not that long ago.
Okay, let me see if I can find her.
All right, thank you.
I'll come back to take more information if I can't find her. Yep. Okay, we got her on video stealing sunglasses, walked out the door. She's over here to my left at Southwest Gate between 2 and 4. We got her on video. Yep, it's got the Georgia thing and the Air Force Ones. Yep, one pair of sunglasses. We saw her take it off the shelf and put it in her pocket and leave. Can you hang and watch her? I'm going to go back to Sunglass Hut and let them know we've got her. Okay. And to get the video ready. Okay.
Her mom stole a Gucci too.
Oh, really? Did you have that on video?
I can pull it up in a second.
Okay, get ready to do that. We found them.
Okay, yeah, it's red and blue. It's really noticeable.
Okay. If they return it,
It's right there in that hole.
if they just give it back, do you want to still
I'll let
proceed?
prosecute because it's over 500.
Okay. She's moving. Hi, ma'am. I need to speak with you over here for a minute. You too, ma'am. I need to speak to you over here.
Okay, you can talk to me right here.
All right, that's fine. Were you at the Sunglass Hut earlier?
No, I was not.
Looks just like you. Got you on video.
Well, you don't have me on video, do you?
Oh, yeah, we do. Yeah,
No,
we
you
do.
don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
She took some Gucci's too.
You can come and show me on camera where you see
Oh, yeah,
me.
let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that.
And it's a way that y'all, the way the officers is killing people and stuff, approach us in a better manner than you.
Yeah.
I don't know what
You know
mean
what?
by that.
I don't get it either, but I want to show you the video because your description fits exactly, and we have you grabbing some stuff and putting in your pocket. So let's show you.
She
And then
glasses that I picked up, she told me to put them back, and I handed them to her.
that's fair enough. And then you'll show that dialogue when we do the video. Let's go ahead and proceed, please.
Okay, first of all,
Here, this is your stuff.
don't put my stuff where it can be watched because that's the flight that I'm taking. Put
Okay,
my
good.
stuff back.
Okay, so
Would you like to bring that stuff with you when we go down there?
Yeah, I can grab my stuff.
Yeah, see, that's the thing. You can't leave your stuff by itself.
listen, you can't leave by yourself. Even though someone's watching, it's got to be yours. You can't just leave it there and have someone else watching.
And then I was on my way to the restroom to change my tampon. Can I change my tampon?
Well, there's
Because
a
I
restroom right down
I have
here.
blood on my pants, so I want to change my
Yes,
tampons.
ma'am.
And then you guys can gladly wait right out front.
Yeah, there's a restroom out here. Because if you're
No, she can't go to the bathroom now because what she discards the stuff.
I'm sorry.
I said I'm in Oklahoma City. I'm not going nowhere. You don't have to be out on my phone.
Well, here's the concern I have. If you have any property that doesn't belong to you at this time, this is a good time to go ahead and discard it. So let's look at the video first.
Okay, I'm about to pee and change my tampon. Then we can go. You can wait right here until I get
No,
done.
you're under an investigation right now.
And
You're
that's
being
fine.
detained.
No, and I'm
You're
bleeding.
being detained.
we have a
Okay,
bathroom downstairs.
Well, I'm bleeding.
We have a bathroom downstairs for you.
I have to make it home to my grandmother.
I know we have a bathroom there.
We have a bathroom downstairs.
It's
private. It won't even be anyone.
Okay,
there.
well, go get a woman. Go get a woman, because you can't tell me I can't pee and I'm bleeding.
you can
and I
pee.
got
We're
blood
giving
on
you
my
a bathroom.
pants.
We're giving you a private bathroom
There's
right
a
now.
private bathroom.
I don't trust that. Let me use the bathroom where everybody around
It's
can
right
see
here.
me.
Okay, so first things first. You know why we're stopping you, right?
No, I don't know, but
Okay,
I need to
have
pee.
you told her yet?
I need to pee,
I
and
t-
then
I told her that we have
can
her-
address it.
She's been alleged, and that we have on video.
Okay,
that
so
she-
can you take that out for me? Whatever that was taken from the store, show it to me before you go inside, because I don't know what you're gonna be doing in there.
I'm going to go use the restroom.
Right. So how can I trust you that?
Yeah, he's sitting up here talking about saying that me and Mama stole something. Mama gone. I'm trying to go pee and change my tampon. They making it a big deal. And
She's been accused of shoplifting, and we have it on video. So she wants to go say she used the bathroom, but the problem is that we can't control everything that she has. So we're going to bring her into the private bathroom downstairs, where she'll be all by herself. We won't even be in
But
there.
how can you tell me when I can and can't pee?
Would you like to come with us?
He getting on the same flight as me.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. For your
Well,
comfort.
I gotta pee, and
what-
y'all not. I'm about to go pee, and y'all can stand right here. and
Ma'am,
wait.
you're under investigation detention
Okay,
right now.
and
You
that's
can't do
fine.
anything like that
But
right now.
y'all
You're going to
can't
go
tell
to
me
a
I
secure.
can't use the bathroom or when
No,
it's where.
I'm telling you,
If
you
I'm
can use.
telling you that it's
I'm telling
blood-
you, you can use the bathroom and the
if I'm
secure
telling you it's
location.
blood on my pants,
And
you
it's
cannot
just right
sit here-
downstairs.
You cannot just sit here and tell me that I gotta
Yes,
walk
I
around
can.
bloody.
You're
No,
under
can't.
an investigative detention right now. You are not free to go. You may use the bathroom in our private area, and this person who seems to you have trust may escort you. But you're going to go into a private escorted area with your own privacy. So I am allowing you and giving you the immediate opportunity to use the bathroom. Do you understand that?
Now, if this escalates further, I may have to put you in handcuffs.
Exactly.
So would you prefer not being handcuffs or handcuffs?
Where's Mom at?
On some weird shit, I don't know. But the shit got me up. I don't gotta do shit like this. But y'all sitting up here stereotyping.
No one's stereotyping you.
Right.
That's what I'm doing right now.
So I won't miss my flight.
All right, so we're going to ask you a quick question. So, saw you on camera grab an item. So where is it?
I don't have it, sir. I'm gonna tell you the truth.
So
I
where,
picked
so,
up-
so where'd you put it?
I put it back. I handed it to her.
No,
And
we
you can
watched
check me.
we watched the video.
You can check me and everything. I don't have no glasses.
So we
and
want-
I swear to God,
I
I wouldn't even
understand.
I wouldn't even risk
I
it.
understand.
You don't understand because
I
if you
do.
was understanding, you would be
I
hearing
know,
me
but I am hearing
And
you out,
it-
but you didn't let me finish. So I'm gonna give you some information. We watched the video camera. We did see you take the glasses. We did see you put in your persons, and we saw you walk out. We didn't see you go back in and give it back to her. So my next question is, where is it? Where did you put it?
I handed them back to her.
Not
You
according
can't
to the
tell-
video. You walked
can't
out.
Tell me. Okay, so where's they
So,
at?
so I'm asking you, where'd you put it?
I didn't put them nowhere. I gave them back to
Not
her.
according to the video footage.
Well, I gave them back to her.
Not in the video footage.
Well, I
Where
don't
did-
have
so
no
it
glasses.
was
I
in
might
the-
have a lookalike or something, but I don't have no glasses.
It says
Can you
University of Georgia
take me?
Bulldogs. You got blue shoes,
You
exactly.
can't, but you can't hold me accountable for something that I don't got.
So we could, because on video and it shows you walking out with it,
I
never
gave-
coming back.
and
You
I
never gave it
her-
back to her.
She said, when you touch the glasses, give them back to me for sanitary purposes. I handed her the glasses back for her to sanitize.
You know, this could be easily resolved. We're just going to look at the video, and then you can recount your side of the story, and then we'll be done.
But if you said you already seen the camera, then what is you taking me back over there for? I don't have no glasses.
I want you to explain to me that, hey, no, it looks like that, but if you notice at this frame, I passed the glasses back to the attendant. Explain it to me. Show me in the video where you did all that, so we can get this cleared.
Long story short, so what are y'all trying to do? Take me to jail?
I'm not trying to do anything. I'm trying to investigate this allegation.
So you in handcuffs right now? No. We're still
I'm not trying to
investigating.
miss my fight. I don't
Roger
have
that.
time to. So I'm just.
So
trying
the
to-
more we keep talking, the less time we have to get you on
said
that
you
flight.
already seen the camera, so y'all feel like.
So show the process. So you're going to go set Sunglass Hut. Show where you were, how you did it, and how you handed it back. Because you're telling that I can't visually picture it. I'm not up there. You actually said, you told me that this is what you did.
I picked some glasses up, and she was like.
So show him
she
upstairs.
Took them back, and she was like, "Here, if you can't get it in there, I have a baby." in
You
my-
know, this is America, and you get to face your accuser. And we're going to get this thing straight.
And I had my baby in my hand as well, went in my pocket because I've been vaping.
Okay.
That's
And
what was put in
so
my
let's go
pocket.
ahead and talk to her then. Come on.
I'm gonna look. Go ahead.
Okay.
So come on in.
Excuse me, ma'am. When I picked those glasses up, you may have thought that I put glasses in my pocket, but I had a vape in my hand.
Well, this
And I
all
took
got
them-
you on camera right here.
And I got the vape in my hand. You see me
This is
put
the whole thing.
you see me put something in my pocket, but it was my
And the
vape.
lady that was with you, she took them too.
Well, I don't
She
know
took
what
Gucci.
anybody else has going
Yeah,
on.
she's got it too, and she conceals it under her shirt. You just put them in your bag.
I didn't put. How can I put anything in this bag?
You want to watch the video?
Yeah, let's go ahead and show her because she's saying that she can explain it.
Show me putting it in my
That
bag.
she says that she
And
gave
oh God,
the
if it don't
glasses
show
and
that I
returned them to
put
you.
my money- And if it don't show me putting it in
I
the bag,
understand.
I'm
Let
going
them-
to sue out of her because she's discriminating.
Call you right back.
I'm about to sue the out of her because I know for a fact I didn't put it
Okay,
in my
first and
purse.
foremost, you don't have to use any
Matter of
foul
fact,
language. We're all civil
Where's my
here.
phone so I can call my lawyer?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure where your phone is.
Oh God, you want some extra out there shit on some racism, and I'll never come back here.
Other one just
Get
because-
my identity off your phone. That's another lawsuit.
No, ma'am, I didn't record
Okay,
it.
just go ahead and bring up the video.
Get me off your phone. You don't have my authorization to have.
In the state of Georgia, you need no consent from the second party to record. If you'd like to ask them that, they can
That's
send us
right.
something.
It's,
From the camera, you can't record the camera. No, girl, you didn't
You
record
have a flight to
that.
take. The more we argue, the longer it's going to take.
Nah, because she pissing me off because
No,
she really
let her
on some
do her
racist
thing.
shit.
let her do her thing so we can get you moving.
The more you
I'll
talk,
escort her, Aldo, and I'll show you the video.
No, they said I have rights to be in here.
Yes, ma'am, they can
to
show
see
it to
what's
you,
going
though,
on.
whenever they like
I ain't
to.
gotta
I
get
don't
out.
but if you're talking back to her, that we're not going to
I'd
show.
like her escorted out, though, please.
Okay, you got to go.
The first is theft by shoplifting codified at Georgia Code Section 16-8-14. The felony threshold is unusually low. When property value exceeds $500, the offense is a felony, punishable by 1 to 10 years. For most Georgia theft offenses, the cutoff is $1,500. That dollar line is the legal hinge of the entire encounter. Probable cause was solid. A merchant complaint and eyewitness and surveillance video together exceeded the reasonable suspicion floor established by the Supreme Court in Terry v. Ohio in 1968, and reached the higher probable cause standard required for a custodial arrest. The second statute is tampering with evidence found at Georgia Code Section 16-10-94. Its elements are knowing concealment of physical evidence with intent to obstruct prosecution. Discarding stolen merchandise inside a restroom during a lawful detention satisfies those elements on its face. Here is the wrinkle. The Georgia Supreme Court in DeLeon v. State decided in 2011, held that tampering with evidence in one's own case is a misdemeanor, not a felony. Felony grading applies only when the conduct relates to the prosecution of another person. The reasoning is rooted in the Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination. The doctrine reaffirmed earlier in English v. State in 2006 has direct application here. If the discarded sunglasses connect only to the subject's own prosecution, the felony grading is vulnerable on appeal.
Turn around,
Show
ma'am.
you guys the video.
You're under arrest for theft, for
How?
shoplifting. Turn around, ma'am, please.
So I'm missing my flight.
I don't know when your flight is, but turn around,
My
please.
flight is at 6:40, but she
Ma'am,
asked
turn
me
around,
to escort
please.
me.
Okay, I know we don't want to deal with that.
So
We try to help you, but you keep talking.
she said for me to get escorted out, so now I'm gonna
No, you're under arrest now for retail theft, shoplifting.
No, ma'am, it's a misdemeanor. You'll be out.
Get you moving right along.
What?
There you go.
You found those?
Tampering with evidence as well.
Tampering with evidence, Roger. Are those it?
Sir, that's them. Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am, you've been charged with shoplifting and
And
tampering
these
with
are-
evidence.
These are demonstration glasses, but they're still the same price as a live working pair.
Okay.
Okay, well, can I find my family so I can let them know
Well,
what's
I think
going
they know
on?
you're here, but they'll probably see you on the way out.
Did you want to record that, though?
Yeah, I'll let him deal with that.
So I'm about to go to jail down here? That's what it is? Are y'all serious?
It's a misdemeanor.
Back just a second.
Because I don't think she's going to pursue the felony
Well, would you
charges.
do give me a ticket or are you taking me to jail?
Oh yeah, they'll rebook you easily enough. We can do that. Would you?
So are you taking me to jail, writing me a ticket?
Not sure at this point.
Go to the other
We're trying to. I'm going to let him go ahead
Sir,
and
I
do
don't
his
get in
investigation.
trouble. I don't do nothing. And I have the sons waiting on me to get home.
So who's your friend in the red shirt?
That's Grandma.
And that's she had the red and blue Gucci she put under her shirt, and then she'll put it in
Was
her
that the
bag.
Gucci? You see her where it goes on the shirt and into the bag?
Yeah, I showed him I broke it into 2 videos just because it paused on me, so I had to restart it, but that's what she puts it in the bag.
The restroom decision warrants closer attention. Offering a private controlled facility instead of outright denial is consistent with the Supreme Court's reasoning in Michigan versus Summers from 1981, which authorizes officers to control a detainee's movement to preserve evidence and prevent escape. The custodial arrest is squarely supported by Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, which permits a warrantless custodial arrest even for minor offenses. A felony shoplifting allegation clears that bar with no force used beyond standard handcuffing, keeping the encounter within the objective reasonableness standard from Graham versus Connor.
So am I going to jail, or can I get a ticket and pay it? Like, what can I do?
It's not in Chatham County. It's not a ticket. So you are going to get booked. I hate to say it, and I'm going to be blunt as possible. Sometimes actions got consequences. And this happened to one of them. But unfortunately, hey, listen.
In Oklahoma, if it's under $1,000, they write you a ticket.
So this is not Oklahoma. This is Chatham County, Georgia. Georgia's different.
Can my brother pay some money right now for me to not get booked in? Can he pay?
Yeah, he could probably take care of it.
Can my brother pay right now where I want
Oh,
him to
not
go
right
to
now.
jail?
No.
What do you want to do with Grandma? Try to locate and
Yeah.
recover the property?
Yep.
Okay, so would you like to give this to your brother?
Like, I can't believe that y'all trying to put me in jail. Like, why would I not be? I ain't got my phone or nothing. Like, I'm miles away from home. Like, why? Like, I can't get a ticket.
Yeah. I don't work that way here for that charge. Did you get that?
So the other person just get away free. Y'all blaming me.
What other person is that now?
She said that I was in there with somebody.
Oh yeah, we don't have her. Well, but the flight hadn't left yet. What's that? Yeah.
Who's she related to you in the red
I
shirt?
don't know her, but she said that it was 2 of us in there on the camera at the same time. So why is she blaming me if she showed me?
So we found you first, but we're gonna look for her now.
I didn't get to hit my bag.
Well, they won't let you take it to jail.
Okay, I didn't get to hit it.
So that's what I said. That's something that you're trying to get hit.
I got one. I don't know where the other one is. She's kind of like, she went totally gone once we started tracking her. But she's got a flight to catch, so she's probably up there. What's that? Yep, we caught him. When she went in the bathroom, she discarded the stolen glasses. Hoops found it. It's those glasses with recorders. On the radio. Over 300.
Over 300?
Yeah. And the other, it's a misdemeanor. I know. What options do we have?
They'll probably set a bond for her. It's like it's pretty low anyways.
Yeah.
But she does want to prosecute, so we're trying to find her. She's got a red jacket shirt on.
Did she steal something?
Yeah, so I can't see her in the concourse area.
The investigating officers receive a B+. Probable cause preceded any seizure de-escalation held under provocation, and the restroom compromise reflected sound legal judgment. The tactical gap is that the bag and person were not controlled before the bathroom visit, generating a second charge that did not previously exist. The subject receives a D. She denied conduct documented on video, offered a contradicted explanation, discarded evidence during a lawful detention, and failed to invoke silence or counsel effectively. The reporting employee receives an A- for prompt and professional cooperation. The lessons. For a citizen, silence and counsel are the constitutional tools that actually protect. Argument and concealment do not. Discarding evidence during a detention creates a second charge, and rarely defeats the first. Allegations of bias do not vitiate probable cause built on independent video evidence. The proper forum for those allegations is a complaint or a civil action, not the scene of an arrest. For an officer, control the bag and the person before authorizing any movement to a private space. A pat-down within the scope of a probable cause detention prevents exactly this kind of secondary charge. For a prosecutor charged tampering at the grading, the facts will actually support on appeal. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.